Are you looking to change the name on your Pinterest account? In this helpful tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change your display name in a few simple steps. I'll walk you through the process step by step so that you can quickly and easily make the changes that will help personalize your account. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. To get started, open up the Pinterest app and then tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, tap on the very first option, Public Profile. And now you'll see your current name on Pinterest. So go ahead and delete your current name, and then enter your new name. Once you enter your new name, tap Done at the top right corner of the screen to save the changes. And now you have successfully changed your name on Pinterest. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.